William Bird, work for Peguis Housing Authority. I'm the Assistant Project Manager for New Housing. Currently I work with New Housing. We have 8 new housing projects going right now, also in the planning stages of possibly 15 more units. I heard about it from Peguis Training and Development and also the General Manager from Peguis Development Corporation. The whole thing was beneficial, I think, to myself and probably to anyone else. It broadened my perspective. It gave me an opportunity to look at other areas of the construction trade that I'm not specifically an expert in, that I'm not trained or don't have a clear understanding of those areas. It gave me an opportunity to look at things from a different perspective. Well, I would definitely recommend it by all means to anybody else that is in my line of work or anything like that, and definitely to First Nations communities. I would say do it, just for the fact that if you're already trained in many of those areas, it works as a refresher. If not, then it gives you an opportunity to look at things from another perspective, and it provides respect for us, for myself, for the other areas of construction. Overall, I think it's an excellent program.